Hello, it's December 30th, and I'm the numbers lady here. We're inside my house also, so that's why I don't have a mask on. But 3 and 0 had been out in the park swinging a lot, so they had to wear their mask. But now that they're inside, they can take them off. This is our home, and we know that we're a little pod. Nobody has any COVID, so we're good here. Now, we've changed over from 2 in the tens to now it's 3 is in the tens because it means 3 times 10, 30, and 0 keeps it in the 2 digits. So we know where the 3 is. If you don't have the 2 digits, you don't know that this is 30, you only know it's 3. But now when we have it as in the tens position, it's 30 plus 0 or 30. So it means 30 goodies. Now, where do we have 30? Well, if remember, we looked at my actual nutcrackers that we can still have up for a few more days because it's still in December. If you've never seen the Nutcracker Ballet, you need to see it on TV or streaming or go see it in live. And any one of you who wants to be a ballerina, I'm sure you will work out and dance in the Nutcracker Ballet sometime. It's so famous and it's wonderful with the Nutcrackers and with all the Tchaikovsky music. All right, so 30, and we're going to use the little versions again today. Remember, this is also 30. It doesn't matter the size of 3, doesn't matter the size of 0. Now they're 30. These have magnets, so they stick together easily so that you can do place value. That's why I invented them like this. Now, if we go back over here to my Nutcrackers, notice they all are like soldiers in some way. Many of them actually look like soldiers, but others are, we have the ceramic maker whose pot goes round. We have, this is the cookie baker, and we have the artists, and then we have the soldiers and the smaller ones. But the reason they're a nutcracker is they have a mechanism, opens their mouth so you can put a little nut in and crack it. Now, some of these would be little teeny nuts, but that's the mechanism of a nutcracker. Now, if we have, I think, 15 nutcrackers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tall ones, tall nutcrackers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a little triangular arrangement on each side. So that would be 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 5 big ones is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I have 15 nutcrackers. What does 15 have to do with 30? Well, 30 is twice 15. So if you had 30 cookies or 30 carrots or potato chips and you had 15 friends, how many of each, either potato chips or cookies or carrots, would each of your 15 friends get? They would each have 2. Or if you only have 2 friends with you at the time, because I'm sure you have more than 2 friends, but if you have 2 friends who have come over and you want to just give each the same number of cookies or carrots or potato chips or whatever, stones, pebbles, how many would each one of your friends get? They would each get 15, and there would be no leftovers or remainders. 30 is twice 15, and it is a wonderful number because it's divisible by other numbers also. So if you had 6 friends or you had 5 friends, you can work out how many of each item. If you had 6 friends and you had 30 cookies, how many cookies would each friend get? If you have 5 friends, how many cookies would each of the 5 friends get, so that using up your 30 cookies? It is a nice number for division. It's an even number. It ends in a 0, which is an even number. Some people say 0 is neither even or odd. It's actually even, but it's not really positive or negative. It's in the middle of the number line. All right, this is the Numbers Lady. It's the 30th of December. We'll see you tomorrow at the end of December and the end of 2020. Bye-bye.